Hi, my name is Daniel Grabowski. This is the computing future investment value problem.
Hi, my name is Hassan Hassan, and for this project, we wrote a method that takes three parameters. It presents the value of an investment, and the annual rate, and the number of years, and how long the investment will be held for. The method uh uh we wrote a method that computes future investment value at given rates for a specific number of years. The future investments is determined using formulas. For example, further investment value is equal to investment amount times 1 plus monthly interest rates. And we we've considered adding additional parameters to the method to allow for additional input parameters such as the frequency of compounding annually, semi-annually, and monthly, or any additional fees or charges that may input the investment's overall return. If these optional parameters are not provided, the method should assume default values, um, annual compounding, and no additional fees or charges.
And we, like you mentioned, so we have this static method down here, and this is where the majority of our computing takes place. So it returns a double type, and it's called future investment value, and the parameters are a double for the investment amount, a double for the monthly interest rate, and then an integer for the amount of years that you want to see the return on. And then there's only one line here, and it's a return statement that includes the formula he mentioned earlier, which is given in the instructions. It's the investment amount times 1 plus the monthly interest rate raised to the years that you want to see times 12. Um, and so to get those values, we have a scanner object, and the scanner object is used to take input from the user. So the first input is going to be the investment amount entered by the user, taken as a double. And then the second one is the annual interest rate, and the user is entering the annual interest rate as a percentage. And so we need to multiply that by 0.01 to get its decimal form. And then also our method here takes the monthly interest rate, not the annual interest rate. So we need to divide that by 12 in order to get the monthly interest rate. And then this print statement is just the header for the table. And then we have this for loop here, and it starts at I equals 1 up to I equals 30, incrementing by 1 each time. And that will account for the year of the investment. And then here we have this double ROI, which is the return on investment. And it uses the value returned by our method with these arguments, the investment amount, monthly interest rate, and then I, which I mentioned before, is the year. And then this right here is a statement just doing some rounding manipulation to perfectly emulate the instructions. And then this right here is a printf statement, formatted print. And this first one right here, percent minus 5D, the minus means right aligned, 5 means a field width of 5 characters, and then D means type decimal, and then the second one, 0.2F, means a float with 0.2 precision, and then the variables given are the year and the return on investment. And I will run this with the um, numbers given in the example, and it's 1,000. Amount invested at 9%. And as you can see, the first two, 1093.80, 1196.41, and the last two, 13,467.25 and 14,730.57, identical to the instructions. So our program works as intended. Thank you so much.